guys, it's been a minute that I've posted anything on my channel. Truth is, I have 4 kids and a very busy life, and I love YouTube and I don't ever want to stop YouTube, but it's just not a priority right now. And Instagram for me is just way more current and like efficient for me to spend my time, especially when it comes to interacting with you guys, which is my favorite part about social media and why I've stuck around for so long. Just can be more real time with the content that I'm sharing and the things that I'm talking about. And it's not like a YouTube video where I'm vlogging it and then you're seeing it a week later and all of the information and like the stuff, my day, what's going on with my kids is irrelevant because it was a week earlier, if that makes sense. So for right now, Instagram is just easier for me to handle, more of a better use of my time, I guess. And it's easier for me to connect with you guys, but I will always have this YouTube channel. I will always post my Stella Knot videos there. I would love to get back to doing vlogs when I have more time on my hands, but right now it's just very busy and it's a lot easier to edit story slides on Instagram on my phone that I can do from anywhere at any time than it is to sit down and edit a YouTube video on my laptop. I know some people do it on their phones. I'm just not that tech savvy with like quiet and not all the chaos in the house in the background. I thought it'd be really fun to do this unboxing on my YouTube channel rather than on Instagram because I miss YouTube, and this isn't a video that needs to be like in real time or is pressing for me to get up so quick. And it's something that can live on my YouTube channel. I like a lot of stuff to live on my Instagram account too, but that's why I create those highlights, and I have a lot of highlights. So this will just live on my YouTube video and on my YouTube channel, and then you don't need to like rush to see it within the 24 hours or you lose it. But a lot of you know, if you follow me on Instagram, that I went to Nashville last weekend with my girlfriends, and it was for my friend Rachel's birthday, who you probably follow as well on Instagram if you're here from Instagram. But we went into the mall, I think in Green Hills, the Green Hills Mall. We went into the Louis Vuitton. I had set out to want to get something. They didn't have that, so of course I ordered them when I came home. And then in the meantime, I had seen some posts on social media about this other item. Rachel said she saw them in the store, but I completely missed it. We had kind of like a just not the best experience with the sales associate that was helping us, especially compared to all of the other experiences I've had at numerous different Louis Vuittons all over the country with different sales associates. I have great relationships with a lot of them. I've been like a customer of theirs for quite some time, and this was just not great. So it made it a lot easier to not want to spend money in that store. But I will say, I ordered both of these items from Louis Vuitton on the phone. And they kind of have like a weird, I've shared this before, but they kind of have like a weird system now. Some of the things that I go on to order, I'm able to place the order. They put it as like a 21, they give the customer like 21 days for you to, they basically, I don't know how they reserve it for 21 days, and they don't 1000% guarantee that you're going to get the item, but it's most likely that you will, and it's most likely that you won't have to wait the 21 days. So my slides that I ordered from Louis Vuitton back in the summer, this happened, and then this, I was able to order one of the items, like put in the order. The second item that I went into Nashville to get, that had to go on the 21-day reserve, and I got the order confirmation and shipment confirmation the next day. So, and then some stuff they will try to find like in a local store to you, and then you have to call the store to process the order. It's not easy. It's confusing. While we were there, the sales associate was telling us that the monogram print is becoming really limited. They don't want everybody to have it anymore after this late in the game, when I feel like everybody already does. But that's really frustrating because I feel like that's classic Louis Vuitton and that's what people want. So I don't know, the whole vibe with Louis Vuitton is weird, but my point of the whole customer service thing is the customer service sales associate, client advisor, whatever they go by, that I spoke to place this order was a gem. She was the sweetest thing ever. I was only talking to her for 2 minutes before she was offering to expedite free of charge my shipping, just based on like my history with Louis Vuitton, which I didn't even ask for, I wasn't expecting. And she was just a true gem to deal with. So it actually all works out, and I'm much more happy that she got to get the commission. I hope she gets the commission, I don't know, versus the client advisor in Nashville. But I'm gonna put her name in the description box, because if you ever want to find something on Louis Vuitton, I would start with her, because she was phenomenal and so sweet. Also went into the Chanel boutique inside Nordstrom, and I did a little damage there. So we're just gonna unbox all 3 of these. I wanted to get in Nashville, but they didn't have. I'm not trying to show you my address. So this was delivered yesterday. Like I said, this was on the 21-day reserve, but I got a shipment confirmation the next day. When you order, in here is the paperwork, receipts, cutest little box, perfectly wrapped. And I've actually never seen these in person or felt them. I had the Louis Vuitton hoops. I ordered them. They came, they were way too heavy. I ended up returning them, and I got the little Fendi ones because they were very similar style but a lot smaller and weightless. So I'm hoping that these are not a heavy earring. I just told you what they were. This is what they look like. Oh, they're so pretty. Here they are. These are the little hoops, and I actually thought they were more round, but they are more of a rounded square. And I think I'm gonna like these because they are not super heavy. Let me see. Let me take the tag off. Okay, so this is what they look like. They have the monogram engraved into the hoops all the way around. The back of them has this little like silver bolt, like silver hardware. And I love the gold. I love the color of gold. Let me put these in. I'll show you. It's like a very, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but it's not, the post does not go straight on. It's like at an angle. So interesting. So I think I'm putting them in the right way. I think it goes this way. Too fancy for me, guys. Too fancy. This is interesting. This is the first. Oh yes, love. It's a great size. They are a great size. The whole angled post though has me thrown and a little bit confused. I probably have them in, do I have them in wrong? Wait a second, I think I put them in the wrong ears. Yeah. Told you, I've never even gone into a store to see these. Or like one of my friends, yeah, that's better, have them to like compare to see them. So that worked out perfectly. I was really hoping that I was gonna love these and not want to return them, because the other ones, like I said, I just wasn't crazy about. Okay, and then we'll get to the big daddy. So this shipped out separately, but I was able to order these no problem. And when I went on the website, they said out of stock, check back later. I think it said my size in particular, but they did have some other sizes available. So you might be able to just order them straight on the website. And if not, I would just call their 1-800 number. But this is what the box looks like. I was not anticipating this purchase, like I said, but I saw a few of the accounts that I follow had them, and it didn't take much. Emily Gemma is who I blame. She's one of my favorite follows, especially for like luxury. Oh, they're so cute. So you all know, if you've been here a while, I'm a big UGG fan. I have been a big UGG fan probably most of my life, whenever Uggs became a thing, and I have a pair of Uggs every year. I usually replace them every few years because they kind of get wonky. So this will be my pair of Uggs for the year. I will not be buying another pair of Uggs. My pair from last year is actually This is going on year three with them, and they just look haggard. So I would have replaced them this year. I know there's places that refurbish the Uggs, but my mom had that done and I just don't feel like they look as good as new. So this will be my Ugg snow boot. I think they're a lot prettier than the Ugg. The Ugg is definitely not like a fashion type shoe. You get it for comfort and warmth. So these are comfort, warmth, and style, which I love. I hope that they fit. I got my true size 39. I'm gonna try them on. Oh, it's cute. Even the rubber sole has like the symbols. That's really cool. They actually had these in black and I think a green, like a hunter green as well. Let's try them on. Please fit with my, oh yeah, definitely a good fit. Hold on, let me move you out here. Okay, I'll show you my mirror. Don't mind the mess behind me, but here they are, and pretend like I'm not wearing this outfit. But they are super cute, and they fit perfectly. And there's some room here, and then they're like perfectly snug around here, but there is some room to move. They're easy to get on and off too. Actually, I find them a little bit easier to get on and off than I do my Uggs. But they are so comfortable. Wow. I have to say too, the Uggs, you know how the Ugg has like the shearling that you kind of have to, like, it kind of conforms to your foot, it molds to your foot as you wear them. This is not like that. It's almost like the Sherpa on the outside, it's almost like that, but it's more matted down. Like there's no like fur or anything to mold your foot. Like it's almost like, so very warm, very soft, and just an easy fit. But these are really, really, really cute. If you can get your hands on them in your size, love them. Okay, and then let's do Chanel. Always go in there and ask to see the earrings because I'm a sucker for Chanel earrings. They really had slim pickings. My friend Tara bought a bag, and I think, did Rachel get something? I can't remember. But here's the box. Here is the little dust pouch. And I ended up with a brooch. And I love this brooch because, first of all, it's actually a new style. So it's actually like, first I'll show you the brooch. So it's a gold chain, which you know I love, and then it has all the crystals. So it's perfectly my style. It looks like a piece of jewelry. It looks like a piece on, I put on a necklace, but it's kind of like mixed metal. But I love brooches for putting on my jean jackets, on my blazers, shackets, on berets, beanies. You can use them for so many things. It's like a piece of jewelry, but it's just a pin. But let me show you. So the new one, this actually goes down. They had some other like older style brooches that go straight across, and I have a couple brooches too where the little catch, you have to like twist it up and then like put the pin in and then twist it back over, and I hate those. They kill my fingers. This is a new one, a new style where it's just, I don't know, I feel like it's just the more traditional style. Like you just push it up and under. I feel like it's more secure that way, and it's easier to get on and off, but much better than the one that you had to like lock it in, because I was always so paranoid that it wasn't going to be completely turned and it would get undone. So that is a newer purchase. They did have one other one in store. I don't know if it'll still be there, but it's the Chanel in Nordstrom in Green Hills Mall if you want to give a call. And the gentleman that helped us there was also equally as amazing as the Louis Vuitton associate that I spoke to on the phone. So, and that, my friends, is my unboxing of some luxury things. I wanted to put this on the channel too because I know how many of you enjoy luxury goods, designer things, and truthfully, I don't watch YouTube very much at all anymore. It's usually Instagram stories if I have time to watch them. But when I do get on YouTube, it's always these kinds of videos that I want to watch. So it's fun to contribute to that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll put the client advisor's name that helped me with the Louis Vuitton purchases below. And if you have any questions, let me know. And I'll talk to you in my next video, or I'll see you on Instagram. Bye.